By and by he met a wolf. "Stop, little round bun," called the wolf. "I'm going to eat you up." "Don't do that, big bad wolf. Let me sing you a little song." And little round bun began to sing. "I was taken from the flower box and baked in the oven and cooled in the shield. I ran away from grandpa. I ran away from grandma. And I ran away from rabbit. And I will run away from the wolf. This minute I will." And off it rolled away. So the little round bun last he rolled towards the gate, and he met a rabbit. Rabbit want to eat, but he sing a song, and he rolled away from rabbit, and he escaped from the rabbit. And then he met a wolf. Wolves also want to eat that delicious little bun, but he again escaped from wolf also, right? Then, and he met again off it rolled away. By and by he met a bear coming towards it. "Stop, little round bun," called the bear. "I'm going to eat you up." "Oh no, clumsy fool, that you won't. Let me sing you a little song," said little round bun. "I was taken from the flower box and baked in the oven and cooled in the shield. I ran away from grandpa. I ran away from grandma. I ran away from rabbit. I ran away from wolf. And I will run away from bear. This minute I will." And off it roll away. So he met, after rabbit he met a wolf and then a bear. What he said to it, "You clumsy feet," means his feet are very big. So bear also want to eat the little round bun, but again the little round bun rolled up and skipped by singing that beautiful song. Okay, now whom he met, let's see. By and by he met a fox coming towards it. So you know the fox. Fox are very clever and very sharp. Okay. So he met a fox. Now let us read what happened next. "Hello, little round bun," called the fox. "How rolled and brown and rosy you are." Little round bun was very pleased at Foxy praise, and it stopped and began to sing. So the foxes are very clever. So fox appreciate, तारीफ करता है लिटिल राउंड बन का, क्या, wow, you are looking very red and very round, very nice. So before telling, fox told that he want to eat, but the bun appreciated, approach the appreciate means so खुश हो जाता और तुरंत ही गाने लगता है सेम सॉन्ग. व्हाट? "I was taken from the flower box and baked in the oven and cooled on the shield. I ran away from grandpa. I ran away from grandma. I ran away from rabbit. I ran away from wolf. I ran away from bear. I ran away from fox. I run away, and this minute I will." And it was about to roll on when the cunning fox said, "Oh, what a pretty little song, but I am afraid I don't hear very well." So the fox told, "Wow, you are singing very nice, but yeah, the bun going to roll and escape from the fox." वो चाह रहा था, but क्या होता है, फॉक्स बोलता है, "वाह, आप तो कितना अच्छा गाते हो, पर क्या है ना, मुझे बिल्कुल सुनाई नहीं दिया, मुझे ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दिया." तो अब नेक्स्ट क्या होता है देखते हैं. "Do hop on the of my nose and please sing again." So what he told, आप एक काम करो, मेरे नाक के ऊपर बैठो. His nose was very long, right? So let me sing from very नियर. मतलब अगर नाक के ऊपर बैठेगा तो कान तो कितना दूर है ना. तो वो बोलता है कि आप तो नजदीक से गाओ ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा आपका सॉन्ग लगा. तो क्या बोलता है, हॉप ऑन माई नोज एंड प्लीज सिंग अगेन. सो little round bun jump on the tip of the foxy fox nose and sing its song again. So he jumped to his nose and sang. Thank you, little round bun, said Foxy Fox. It is lovely song. Do hop on my tongue and sing it one little time. Oh, very clever, huh, Fox? तो okay, what is it? पहले तो मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया उसे. Then he said कि आप में नाक के ऊपर, नोज के ऊपर हॉप करो और वहां से गाओ. तो वो गाता है. Then he said कि wow, you are singing very nice, but I want to hear more deeply. ये मुझे और एक बार सुनाओ ना, लास्ट टाइम. वो भी कहाँ, मेरे टंग के ऊपर रख के. वेरी क्लेवर. टंग के ऊपर रख के आपको तो आइडिया आई होगी होगा क्या करना चाह रहा होगा. ओके, लेट्स सी क्या होता है. Little round bun jumped on the foxy fox tongue and snap. The fox gobbled it up. Gobbled, gobbled, gobbled. Okay, then was the last anyone ever saw of little round bun. So what happened? The fox was very clever. So he told ki come in my say hop in my tongue and then sing for a last time, only last time. इसके बाद मैं नहीं बोलूंगा आप गाओ. ओके, एक बार मुझे आपका सुनना है. तो वो क्या करते, जैसे he jumped to his tongue the bun and he gobbled means he eat the bun. That the last time the bun saw, उसके बाद बर्न को कोई नहीं देख, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो फॉक्स खा गया था. इसीलिए व्हाट द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज, सी द पर्सन you trust. Don't trust the person if you know that they are smarter than us. Okay, means हमें पता है कि वो पर्सन क्लेवर है, चालाक है, कैसे बातें कर रहा है. we used to know that and don't trust that people, right? The chapter is over and you have to once read the chapter. Okay, thank you everyone.